Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you a hobby related unboxing or video. I previously featured here on my channel the Game Envy hobby holder painting handle grip. So this is the one I got previously from the company. I did go for the standard setup, plus I got the tripod mounting option here. And recently they had a sale, so I got some new stuff, or some old, some new from them. So let's do unbox this. Okay, so I like this neon green wrapper. So I got a second stand for the miniatures. So can I combine them with my existing one? I also got what is the new, what they call it, a Wash Wizard paint pot. And let me grab the previous one just quick. So the previous one was this 3D printed one, which nicely protects your paint pot, Citadel paint pot, small and also large. This is a wash, so let's check it out. Okay, nice snug, it will not yeah, we have some laser for router engraved, so nice. I'm also happy with the old one, but I did got also the new one. And then of course I got a 10 pack of these bottle caps. Yes, like I stated in my previous video, you can use the standard, I have here lying around somewhere. Yes, you can use your standard bottle cap from your soda, but for some reason the threading is much better utilized with these stock or used from the company. So just, and they are really cheap, so I got a few of them. They are like $2.50 for 10 of them. So yes, let's keep the captain here. So, and this is the main package. So they had a really nice offering. If you want, go check them out. Maybe they will be still up there, but probably not. This was a 4th of July special, therefore the colors blue, red, white, of course. They are an American company, and this was the hobby folder full set spec. So what is new? They did also release the larger stand for your larger miniatures. So therefore, they made a value set with the holder. You can probably push it, something like that, or yeah, so that you can really nicely grip it. Just a quick information for my original purchase. I did bought just the standard set with the attachment and this standoff, where they are They're calling it a hobby holder handle. And the mounting, the tripod mounting, will come with this screw. But what did I find out? If you have a setup like this, it is a little bit problematic to have it on the table. It will fall off. But then you can turn it over, screw it down, and it's perfectly standing on the table. And I wanted something a little bit smaller than this regular grip. This is the Mod 1, probably the Mod 1 version. I'm not. As you can see, it's much larger. As you can see, you can put it there and it will be snug, but it's a little bit on an angle, so better to use the supplied bottle caps. Okay, so you will get what I got in this purchase: the two handles and the grip handle, and also the, and let's see if I can dismount this, because it's really snug there, so I really don't want to break it. Yeah, you can dismantle it, but probably you will have it like this on your hobby table, or maybe in your drawer. They also give you a order of the miniatures sticker. Thanks for that. And here are the information. If you like, you can go and check them out. The company started as a Kickstarter, so maybe you know about them, maybe don't. Now you can go visit their website, GameEnemy.net. They are also on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. So yeah, so far I'm really happy with the product. I usually use a few different miniature grips, and probably somewhere in the future I will also make a video to compare them with each other. But for now, this is a unboxing and just a sharing of information. So if you're interested, go and check them out. And so if you are, maybe I can show you a few more options they have. They have another stand. Here are the different grip options. You can also, this is the standard wash pot, and here's the grip handle. They also have an option for your brushes if you want to, and also a few decorated bases for your miniatures.